Hello, and welcome to the fourth and last episode of the mini-series about how logic gate and how computers work. Today we're gonna speak about the OR gate, which is basically two transistors connected in parallel. In the previous episode, I explained what is a transistor and how it works. And that is a very important base for this video. If you don't know how transistors work, you can click right now in the right corner above, or I will leave a link in the description below. An OR gate is basically a circuit which has constant voltage coming from one side, an input, two inputs, input A, input B, and one output wire. If one of the input is turned on, current will flow through the output wire. But if none of the inputs are turned on, current will not flow through the output wire. I will represent this in a more intuitive way on the breadboard. So here we have a wire with constant voltage, but currently no current is flowing through the circuit because both of the switches are off, which is represented by this light. If we switch one of these two inputs, which is controlled by the switch, if we switch one of these inputs on, the output is on. This is true also if both of the switches are on. In informatics terms, this means that we have input A and input B and an output. So in this case, both input A and input B are off, so the output is off. But if input A is on and input B is off, the output is still on. If the input B is on, but the input A is off, the output is still on. And if the both input A and input B are on, the output is also on. That is all you need to know about the OR gate. Thank you for watching.